Welcome back to another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update video on the channel. Today is January 10th, 2026.
Yeah, it's not a very nice day out today. It's about 42 degrees, a little rainy, kind of windy, so couldn't really fly the drone as much as we normally would, but we did the best we could considering the weather. We couldn't safely fly it out all the way around the building like we normally do. A couple of updates to note. The intersection of Centerpoint Boulevard, Buc-ee's Boulevard, and State Route 235. The new traffic signals have been installed. Not yet operational, but they're hanging up on the cables. The concrete has been poured over the underground fuel storage tanks. It looks like they're getting ready to do some concrete work at both entrances to the Buc-ee's. We weren't able to fly around to the back of the building today to check out the loading dock or the small utility building. It's just way too windy to be flying safely over that construction site today, so we'll check in on that next week. Last week we took a trip out to Indiana to check out the construction of a new Wally's gas station just north of Indianapolis in Whitestown, Indiana. Not sure if any of you guys have heard of a Wally's before, but it's kind of a smaller scale Buc-ee's. There's only 2 of them in existence right now, and the one in Indiana will be the 3rd. We've actually got a video out on YouTube right now to kind of detail that visit over to the Wally's construction site, so go ahead and check that out. There's also some rumors that they might build a Buc-ee's right in that same area where the Wally's is, so that would be kind of interesting to have them both within an exit or 2 of each other, maybe even the same exit. I'm not real sure. The proposed Buc-ee's location in an area hasn't been announced, so they just said it was going to be somewhere in that area if they go through with it. We also took a drive about 40 miles south of where that Wally's is being built to Whiteland, Indiana, which is just outside of Greenwood, just a little bit south of Indianapolis. Like I said, 40 miles from where the Wally's is being built. They're supposed to be building a Buc-ee's down there. The exact location of the Buc-ee's wasn't disclosed, but we read the approximate location in the intersection where they said they were supposed to be closing on some ground, so it'd either be the north side or the south side of the road that we were at. So we got some drone footage of both. We kind of think it's going to be on the south location because it just kind of looks like it would fit better there, and we saw a lot of markers out in the field. Both the Wally's and the new Buc-ee's will both be about a 150-mile drive for us. So one just happens to be on the north end of Indianapolis and the other on the south side, so make a little day trip to go over there and check them out, and especially if they build another Buc-ee's up by the Wally's, and you can hit 2 Buc-ee's and a Wally's all in one day. So we'll go ahead and insert some video here of the Wally's under construction and where we think that Buc-ee's proposed location is going to be. This is the construction site for the Wally's Travel Center being built just north of Indianapolis. This location is in Whitestown, Indiana, just off of exit 133 on I-65. You can see from the drone footage here that the building has been erected. Looks like the underground fuel storage tanks are in the ground. It's kind of hard to tell with the snow on the ground, but it looks like they've got the basic layout for the fuel pump islands, even though the canopies haven't been constructed yet. This location is supposed to open sometime this year in 2026. It has been reported that Buc-ee's is planning its first Indiana Travel Center in Greenwood, Indiana, which is just south of Indianapolis. This is on I-65, about 40 miles south of where the Wally's Travel Center is being built, north of Indianapolis. It's reported that the company is in discussions to purchase a 28-acre site off of East Worsville Road near I-65. This drone video shows the intersection of I-65 and East Worsville Road. The right side of the screen shows the south corner of East Worsville Road and I-65, and the left side of the screen shows the north corner. The reports aren't clear on if the Buc-ee's is looking at the north or south side of East Worsville Road. After visiting the site, we kind of feel that it's going to be on the south side. Saw a lot of flags and markers out there along with a for sale sign. We'll be back after the construction gets started to bring you guys a construction update. So we hope you enjoyed that video clip of the new Wally's under construction in Indiana. And like I said, we've got a standalone video out on YouTube that kind of documents just that whole trip over to Wally's. So go ahead and check that out. Well, that's going to do it for today. We'd like to thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
We're sitting here in the Wendy's parking lot doing this outro for the video. You can see that no left turn sign there at the exit to the Wendy's. And while we've been sitting here doing this outro, there's been at least 3 people that have made the left turn. So I'm not sure. You know, once the Buc-ee's is built, that road's going to be very busy. And it's going to be very dangerous and difficult to make a left turn. So it doesn't appear that people are going to pay attention to the sign. So I wouldn't be surprised if they had some type of a barrier placed down the center of this road, at least in this area of the Buc-ee's. You never know what you're going to see when you fly the drone. And today we get to see an oversized load heading north on State Route 235 in front of the Buc-ee's construction site. Here you can see that the underground fuel storage tanks have now been covered with concrete. This is the south entrance for the Buc-ee's. You can see here where they're getting ready to pour some concrete here at the entrance. This is the intersection of State Route 235, Buc-ee's Boulevard, and Center Point Drive. You can see they're getting ready to do some concrete work at this north entrance. You can also see that the new traffic signals have been installed.